Did you realize that today is the last session of 40 weeks plans? How fast the time flies, no? Now, this is the time to review the progress of your child and maybe revise your plans accordingly. In this video, you will learn how to review the progress, what assessments to use, and where to find them. Hi, so you have reached the last session of 40 weeks plans. This is the time to review the progress of the child and to check where the child stands now. So in audition, check the child can understand stories through listening. Also that you are doing fairy tales now. You know, earlier you were doing short stories, simple stories where the child could relate to the character. Now we can move on to fairy tales because we are working on a lot of imagination development now. So the child should be able to listen and comprehend even when there is no book. How to do that? You make up a story of 3-4 sentences. Tell the child the story. There's no book, no pictures. The child has to listen. Simple stories. And then you ask the child, okay, what happened next? What do you think happened next? So the child has to complete the story and then tell you the whole story. Also in audition, check what is the auditory memory repertoire of the child now. For example, play treasure hunt. So when you hide something, give the instructions to the child to follow in sequence and check if the child can remember all those sequences and find the thing you have hidden. Coming to receptive language, the child should be learning a lot of incidental language now because your child is listening all the time, whether you're talking to the child or not. So therefore, the child should pick up vocabulary from the environment when people are talking to each other. So make a diary and write down any time, any new word is uttered by the child. Add in your diary. At the end of the week or then month, count how many words the child has used. Please don't focus only on nouns as we said earlier, any vocabulary. Also in receptive language, see that the child is using higher language understanding. For example, daydreaming, greedy, forgetful, clumsy, all these words the child should be able to understand because there will be context in the storybook. Coming to expressive language goals, the child should be able to do conversations. In conversation, you remember all these parts of conversation we were talking about? You have to check that the child is able to maintain the topic for 3-4 terms, can take turns, automatically change the topic. A child can change the topic, or the child asks questions, or the child also gives comments and opinion. All that should be part of the conversation. So when you're telling the story to the child also, go into dialogic reading. What is dialogic reading? You create a dialogue of conversation through the story. So when you're talking about the story, telling about the story, give your comments, and that can lead to a conversation between you and the child. Also check that at expressive language goals, the child should have at least 1200 words in expressive language now. This can be any words because children will learn different words at different pace. So you just count the number, again, not only nouns. Coming to speech, check that the child has 80% eligibility of speech. That means if the child is speaking 10 phonemes, out of those 10 sounds, 8 sounds or 8 phonemes should be articulated correctly. If not, then note down and work on that. Coming to books, any age appropriate book, pick up the books which the children of that particular age are using and tell the stories. Increase the number of books, no one book every day, now 2 or 3 books every day. Ask the child to tell you stories, you tell the stories, read to the child, do sight reading words, introduce that will help the child to develop language. Tips. In tips, you should do assessments like we had been talking since in the beginning. When you do the assessment, you have to review the progress of the child. See, every child has a different pace of learning. So all children will not achieve the same level after 40 weeks. Every child will be at a different level. You have to check your child is at what level. Then what are your expectations? Then what are your plans to meet those expectations? And check with your therapist, discuss with your therapist what should be the next 3 months plans for you in all these 4 areas. Okay, that will help you. How to do that? There is a support material. If you have downloaded or if you have not downloaded the resource from the website, the name of the resource is Sound Foundation for Toddlers. In the end, you will find support material. I'll show you some example. This is integrated scale of development. Yeah. In this is the language, this is the chronological age of the child. So that means if a child can say all these things, has this as an expressive language, then the child's chronological age should be this. Now, if your child's chronological age is more than this, suppose your child is 42 months, but the child can do all this of 36 months, not beyond to the next page, the child has a gap of 6 months. Okay, so this way we will check what is the gap of your child, what is the chronological age of your child. If you think the child cannot do this, go 1 page back and check the previous page, and that will be the language age of the child. Easy? Okay, see this? This is the going back page. Also, you will have a list of 2,500 words which the children between age 3 to 4 can have. So they are suitable. This list is given alphabetically. So this I just picked up randomly 1 page. This is for T, the words with T sound, and so many words are there. Now your child does not have to know all these words correctly, but the child should be able to. This is just a reference list for you, what type of words and what words you expect the child to know, and you work on those. Then you have this for speech. You have this sounds of speech. So when I was talking about 80% intelligibility, how many phonemes the child should know? This is the age of the child, and these are the sounds. So if the child can say all these correctly, that's 100%. But at this stage, we expect 80% of these sounds. Okay. So this is the sequence also given. The child should be able to articulate this, and you work on this as has been explained during the 40 weeks plans. There's another scale available for you. That's a play scale. So, if your child is 3 years or 3.5 years, what do you expect? What activities you will do with the child? What games you will play with the child? There's a list given over here which will help you. Again, it's a reference list. You don't have to follow it structured and meticulously. Children are different, there are individual differences. So take care that you go according to the interest of the child and according to the pace of the child. Okay, this should help you. Congratulations on completing a 40-week session plan with your child. Now, next you can discuss with your therapist next 3 months goals, and now you are an expert teacher to help child, to train the child to develop speech and language. I'm still there. If you have any comments or you have any questions, please write in the comment section and I will certainly get back to you. If you still want to see some episodes before this, there's a link given below which will take you to the 40-week session plan. Thank you very much for being a part of this, and thank you for attending every session. Thank you. Wish you best of luck.